Hello and welcome again. Now that your projects are ready, let's see how you can use automation to streamline your workflows, save time, and keep your project data up to date. Every project can have its own automation sequences. You can create one by clicking on this automation icon at the top right corner of the project. Automation works on a simple logic of if this happens, then do that. On the left-hand side, we have automation triggers. Triggers initiate an automation sequence. You can create an automation trigger based on one or more conditions specific to your project. On the right-hand side, we have automation actions. An automation action is what executes on your projects when a trigger condition is met. Simply put, you can use automation to create automated workflows, such as when a task is created, change its status to new, and also assign it to a specific user. Send me an email reminder with a list of all tasks due in the next 2 days. Remind someone when their tasks are overdue. Send me a notification on Slack when the priority of a task is changed to urgent. You can create automation for your projects based on your needs. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.